Mwako-ini wa nyumba cia RAITHI Kapseret kaunti-ini ya UASIN GISHU. President William Ruto anyitanira na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua kuruguria tabarira ino iria ni imwe ya ira ihandeirwo cira igoti-ini. President Ruto akioneka guthie na mbere kwendekithia mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa magoti, uko akiuga honge cia thirikari no nginyagia irutithanie wira, mĩario iria ruhonge rwa magoti rukoretwo rugitaura ta kuingirira wiyathi waruo.
Any institution that undermines the delivery of constitutional rights, social and economic, to the people of Kenya is undermining the constitution, and to all that extent, I want to say we are going to make sure that all of us respect the sovereignty of the people of Kenya.
Ni ndereti iria president anyitithanetie na uteti wa thirikari na mung'ethaniro, akiuga miako ino irashirwo kumana na atongoria a mung'ethaniro kuhaka majaji.
And when I say, and I will repeat, that we must deal firmly, decisively with corruption in the judiciary, I mean it. And we are going to deal firmly and decisively to root out corruption in the judiciary. Nobody should tell us that the independence of the judiciary will be used to deny the people of Kenya their rights. Nobody should tell us the independence of the judiciary also means that the judiciary is holy or sacrosanct. It is still subject to the people of Kenya.
Kiumia kihituku gikundi kia ambunge ya UDA matogoretwo ni seneta wa Kiambu Karungo wa Thang'wa ni maugire kuri na mubango wa kurunga mutafanĩrio wa macira megimaine na tabarĩra cia thirikari kugerera ambunge, makiuga macira maya matibatie guthikĩrĩrio makiria ma mweri ũmwe.
No nginya tukorwo tukiaraniria nigetha twacenjia jesi magathũrimagwo tucoke turehe kindu gitagwo policy courts, ni igoti ria mitaratara ya thirikari to ria kuri igoti ria aruti a wira nereo Employment Act, ni turi igoti ria commercial, tugie na igoti ria mitaratara ya thirikari. Ati mundu arugamia mitaratara wa thirikari rigatwarwo igoti-ini riu, igoti riu nario tukarihe thiku 30 rikorwo ririkitie wira ucio nigetha tutikarugamio.
Kwa na hii program ya housing 2017, lakini badala ya kusongesha hii program ya housing mbele wakakuja wakatuletea rege, wakatuletea BBI. Sasa hii program ikasambaratika, ati wanataka kuturudisha pale tena ati kwa maandamano.
Gukirira uguo, President Ruto no augite thirikari yake ni ikuhukia ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF kuria augite ni kuo kwihire makiria. Nginyagia riu thirikari ina site 43 cia miako ya nyumba cia RAITHI iria irathie na mbere kaunti-ini itiganite, o cira wa kana mutaratara wa watho ni wathingatirwo ugietagirirwo itua ria muthia. Kirifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura Wado.
Tusimamisha ama tuendelee?